Good night. My name is Mariluz Cardenas, student of Business Administration in UNAT. Today I want to tell you my travel experience, and I will divide it into three things. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Tell about my trip experience camping in El Rancho. 3. Recommendation if you go to camp. My name is Mariluz Cardenas. I am 40 years old and live in Villavicencio, Colombia. I have 2 children and I love team. I like to go to cinema, watch TV and travel. I want to come with my family. We are view the natural stats. It's amazing while we were trekking for 2 hours to arrive to El Rancho. We view beautiful landscapes. When we arrived to El Rancho, we camped there for 3 days, and it was an incredible weekend. Camping was an adventure and a challenge for me because it rained and water came into the tent and we were all wet. Although the weather did not help us, we were out to enjoy a new experience, and we enjoyed a lot. Recommends of you go to camp to go camping. I recommend that they wear comfortable clothes, a good tent, carry medicine and a camera because you must walk in lot. Leave the identified documents, breathe insect repellent, crème protection applied to sun. Do not cook, smoke or light paraffin or gas lamps inside the tent. After sleeping, you have to ventilate the tent to avoid the smell of humidity and confinement. Take hours of nature, care the environment, that your cell phone charge.